Okay guys, we're going to learn a really easy, awesome chord that is going to jazzy up and kind of add a little flourish to your E minors. A normal E minor is of course that. Open E, 2nd fret A, 2nd fret D, and open G, B, and E. Not bad, right? But if I take that 3rd finger and place it right over here on the high E string of the 2nd fret, it adds a lot to it, a lot of character, and that's an E minor 9. Now, in this case, I'm playing an open E, 2nd fret A, open D, open G, open B, 2nd fret, high E specifically. Got it? It's not that bad. Now, applying it, you can pretty much do it anywhere there's an E minor, but I'm going to give you a little idea because it's kind of jazzy. So let's throw some jazz chords in there. Dominant 7s, major 7s. So that's what I started with. I played an E minor 9. Then I played an A dominant 7. And then I played a little D major 7 there, right? You can always play it like that, however you want. And that's it. If I played E minor, it's fine. But if I go E minor 9, ooh, so much nicer. Cool. And that's it, you guys. Try the E minor 9 in place of your E minors, see how it sounds, and enjoy.